Hi guys, I'm Ajay from Networkers Home Technical Team. So today we are going to talk about how you can get demo or evaluation license from the Cisco. Okay, so I'll guide you through the step-by-step process that how you can get a demo or evaluation license for Cisco products. So let's go to it. Now the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to open a browser here, and in the browser I'm going to type Cisco Software Central. Hit enter. We'll visit the first link, Cisco Software Central. Over this link, what we are going to do is we are going to go for the traditional license, and I'm going to say access the LRP. I'll click here. Now in here, I have to type in an email. So I have already saved the email in the browser. I'm going to select it here, and then I'm going to say next. Okay, then after we are going to use password here. So again I'll say next, and then I'll say verify. After typing the password, you're going to say what? Verify. Once verified, we will get access to the Cisco product license registration portal. Okay, so here what I'll do is I'll say take me to the license registration portal, and I'll say okay. Now in here we may get multiple options, and what I'm going to say here, I'm going to go here to the get licenses, and I'm going to select here demo or evaluation. Now from demo or evaluation, if you want to search for a product, you can search from here, or else you can simply click here on the security products. Okay, so if I click security products, you can see I have for IPS trial license. Again, I have IPS trial license 6.0, 6.1, right? Then Cisco Security Agent demo license is there. Then AnyConnect Plus license is there, right? So multiple Cisco products are there. Like if you talk about ASA Firepower demo license is there. Then email, web, and content security virtual licenses are there. So let's say you want to get a license for ESA. So what you're going to do is you're going to select this option, that is Cisco Email Web Content Security Virtual Demo License. And from here, whether you want it for ESA, WSA, or SMA. So let's say I want it for ESA, I'll select ESA from here, and then I'll say next. After saying next, what you will do is you are going to submit the details here, like this is demo license for email security virtual appliance. Then we have how long you want this license. So this is for 45 days. Okay. Then after here, you need this virtual device identifier. So if you don't have a virtual device identifier, what you're going to do is just leave it blank. Also this POV, leave it blank. And if you have an existing VLN, then you can select here, or else just leave it as it is. It will generate a new one for you. Okay, then you will say next, and then you will click on yes. So it will generate it for you, and your license will get generated. Okay, so it's asking that okay, this is send this to what? tnhbyik@gmail.com, and then we have NH training is the name. I'll say submit. Okay, and now what? It is requesting a certificate, or it is requesting a license on your behalf. And you can see that we say that here it says the license has been sent to this particular email. So whatever the email you have provided, the license has been sent. And if you want to download the license, we can download the license from here. Okay, so click on download, and this will get downloaded. Now sometimes what will happen that here it will show you 0 bytes. Okay, here it is showing you what? 0 bytes. So whenever you download from here, sometimes there will be issues, but whatever the license you get on your email, okay, on your email also you will receive a license file, right? So from there, when you will download, so that license is going to have an actual license file there. The XML file is going to be there. Okay, and then like I have explained in the previous videos that how to upload the license in the ESA and how to license your ESA. So you can follow the same steps. Okay, and your ESA will get a demo or evaluation license for 45 days. Okay, so if you find this information helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.